Welcome back to Ta-da! 3D printing. In preparing to visit my family on my dad's side, who are mostly German and Swiss descent, I kept thinking of the Edelweiss flower, and I decided that I wanted to make a necklace that was the Edelweiss. So I found this file by Clara's Little Artworks, and she shows that she's made the Edelweiss into earrings as well as a hair barrette. So I thought this would be a great way to make a necklace. The file doesn't require any supports or anything crazy, so it'll be a great jumping off point. So I pulled the file into Bamboo Studio and tried to go arrange it and didn't realize that this is actually multiple pieces. This is not a single file. So, and I'm sure that's probably helps with certain different programs to be able to do the different colors. So I go back and just select the whole thing and drag that to the center. But then I realized that there is not any way to attach the necklace. I don't want to try to drill into plastic later, so I need to add a little hole that I can hook the little necklace piece to. There probably is a way to do this in Bamboo Studio, but I am still so used to Tinkercad, so I just export the file as one piece and then I can pull it into Tinkercad. And then I can just add a cylinder that is the hole so that I can slice that out. And because this is a single piece now, it's really easy to align it and get it straight, and I'm not messing up the original design. Now that I'm back into Bamboo Studio, I can change the entire color to be a white base, and then I can go through and paint it. I was a little bit nervous because this is just one file now that I would have some issues trying to paint it, but it still works really well. Just 2 colors with this file. It's going to be just under 30 minutes. I did notice that it is a little bit hollow underneath, but I decided to go ahead and run it and just see if it'll turn out okay anyways. So of course I could have printed a bunch of these, but I really only needed one necklace. I'm sure you would have better time to do a bunch of these. But it did turn out good, pops off the bed okay, and even though it is kind of got those spots on the back, you can see them, but it's a complete print. It's not going to break apart. It doesn't seem flimsy at all. So now I have the chain and the hook on it, and it turned out great. I was trying to decide if I wanted silver or gold, but I think the silver turned out really pretty, and it feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like I'm going to have any issues with it breaking while I'm wearing it. The hook just barely fit in there, but it worked out really good. Let me know what you think of 3D printable jewelry, and if I missed anything, thanks for watching.